dad was helping the coach.
Luckily, he knows he had a rep very well, so he did a great job. Yeah, almost the full second time. Literally 2 years ago. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. That was meditator season.
There's still some that are there.
That's a great season. That was the kids' choice. Yeah. I think both the other coach and I. Two like away games.
Good.
There you go. Nice job.
Good.
Ben.
Good catch.
Good job.
Do you have your own number now, or is that?
Up.
Okay. You give it the ball.
Nice.
Win it, Brody. Good.
They'll just call you straight up.
Good. Good, Gage. Good, Gage.
Stay with it, Ben.
Nice play.
Back.
Back, Brody. That's you, bud.
No, Jay, you're asshole.
Behind the ball.
Yes. Again, bud. Good, Pong. Good. Good. Good, Pong.
Send it wide. No catch with the safe, right? Or they can't.
I don't think so.
Definitely right? Up the left.
Nice ball.
Good.
Good ball.
Win it, Axel. Win it, Axel.
Hey! Nice job. Good patience. Very good. That was a tough call for the keeper. He should have just gone for it.
Keep your feet down.
The line. Over there. Gotta drag that back foot, right? Drag that back foot. Can't lift it up.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Nice job, bro.
Nice job.
Get in there.
Yes.
Good, Axel.
Nice. Under wide. Other way. Oh.
Good, Owen. Good, Axel. Yeah, Axel.
Nice, Ben.
Good, Brody. Good, Brody. Yeah. Good. Good.
Get there, partner.
You, Brody.
Diagonal, Jay, diagonal.
Good.
Nice cross, Eli.
Win it.
Stay one more.
Good, Pong.
There, Finn. Good job.
Good job, Pong.
Johnny,
Nice.
Get there, Brody.
during something like there's a concern or problem, so they recall and stop production to fix it. And so we've been waiting for months.
So, that's terrible.
Yeah. And like just second guessing, like, are there other options available?
Yeah. But then
Good idea, Pong.
you want what you want.
it's the right fit for us. Price point, everything.
What vehicle is it?
Toyota Grand Highlander.
Good axle.
Grand Highlander.
It's a Highlander, but it's a little
Yeah.
longer. So the third row in the back.
Oh, yeah.
To replace the minivans for 4 kids.
Ah, yeah. We have a Highlander. Not a Grand. You see Iowa went up 7 minutes?
Job,
Yeah, boy, kids and Highlander. Like it seems like
We've got
that
a
is
van
a
now.
solution.
Yeah.
Like you.
Getting that is so. Yeah, last time I was like, Joe, what about like Model Y?
Go, Easton! Go, buddy!
Which is basically the same thing.
Then we're back to a
Good.
mid-size.
Good, stay with it!
So like a John Parker.
Diagonal, Jay, diagonal, Jay. Diagonal, Jay, diagonal.
Stay with them!
Get up, get up, get up, up.
Middle!
Job, Ben.
Good,
Go,
Axel.
Jay. Go, Jay. Come on. Nice job.
Good,
Good job,
Axel.
Parker. There you go, Jacob. Come on.
Good.
That's right. Nice job, Riley.
Attack, you got it, Axel. Good. Good kick, Axel.
Get wide, Parker, get wide.
Nice.
So good.
One more.
Good, Gage. Middle.
It is interesting.
Mark, come Mark!
Middle.
Left
Middle.
space as they
Middle.
way outside. There's like some of them really bulky.
Good try, guys.
Oh yeah.
We had a Forester, which we still have. And then when Robbie was we had the third row.
Good job, bud.
Your legs are too little.
Brody, be ready.
Good call.
Good job, buddy.
Let me get back, Eli.
Parker.
Good call.
Communicate.
Stay outside, Eli.
Nice job, Jay.
There you go.
Stay behind the ball.
Good, Brody.
Forward. Go. Nice.
Get there, get there, get there.
Nice.
Oh, that was the idea.
Ooh.
Good ball.
Parker, way to get that started. Right.
Brody.
Stay with it.
Yeah.
Coming from a different, I think he's never had kindergarten. He was never like control of instinct. He was always kind of handed out things by his school. He wasn't driving to strike. When he's making good passes up, like he's picking off the ball like a DB, you know, like making a good jump on it.
Oh, get back.
Seeing win.
Nice job, guys.
Nice job, stay with it, fam. Stay with it.
Nice.
Nice job. Oh! Number 9 is good too. He's all over the place. They don't. Oh, yeah.
Good, Axel.
Did they win? Yeah. But MLB is still for New York.
Hey, Brady.
Yeah, that's got to be a good ratings for them. And then just the
Go, Brady. Go.
The Yankees moved on, so they over Detroit, right? Yeah. So it could be another Subway series, huh? No, it'll be. It could be a Subway series, but it's New York and then. Get there, Jay! Get there, Jay! Get there, Jay!
Good, Axel.
Stay with him! Stay with him! Stay with him!
Good.
Wide, Jay, wide.
Good save.
Good effort.
Beat down.
Feet down the line.
Go.
Nice ball.
Good, Paul. Win that, Declan. Yes, Brody.
Up, up.
Good.
Way to push it.
Get there, Jay.
Oh, very good.
Nice save, Keith.
Cross, beautiful shot.
Woo!
Nice save.
It's good.
That's 2 huge saves.
Good job, Aiden.
That's corner good. Is that corner throw?
Match up. Match up. Let's go, sir. Match up.
About ball.
Who's got 65? Right?
There's the middle of the baseball field over there.
Let's go, sir. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, no, it's the worst. You can't really tell where the ball's going.
That's a great shot, Ethan. Good way to get it out.
You moved up to mid. Yeah, like this.
ဒီနေ့နော်ရချင်းလျောဖုံရင်းမှာအော်တော်ဝဲပဲဖုံရင်းမှာမတော်နော်
So we were
ချီကိုဝိုင်းနော်ဦးမတော်နော်ဖုံဝါကူရမီဒီနေ့နော်ဖုံဝါကူချီကိုဖုံရင်းမှာမတော်စမန်အင်္ဂွေညာကစမန်အဲ့ဒါ
drove here. We're gonna hit the store. Grab
တန်ပလာ
Super good. She's a such a good. Only exit. I have